Mr. Fan. Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. You had inquired through the internet about the Elantra. I took the opportunity to show you this one on the showroom floor. You didn't specify trim package, but hey, this will give you a very brief overview. Right this way. If you'll notice, it's got the very sporty alloy wheels. There is ample room in the back for 3 passengers. Now, up front on the steering for your safety and convenience, you've got volume control, cruise control, Bluetooth. Up-hear your phone before you drive off the lot. The trip button toggles through your back display. This particular model also has CD player, backup camera, AM, FM, XM satellite radios free for the first 3 months. Auxiliary iPod USB. It gives you every avenue to listen to your music. I want to tell you real quick about the America's Best Warranty. There's a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron the dealership adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Cowart. The number at the dealership, 205-380-6250. You may reach me on my cell at 205-907-4700. Again, my name is Shannon Cowart, and the number is 205-907-4700. Give me a call. We're not missing any business. You're going to love the way you're treated at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you, Mr. Fan.